Efrinfinfin mantemu na yepiemu ewo etifido epoye na empanifo abomoden esi edan kakra ebeboa ema kuayo ho nsem wona wodua mfudie no ano saa dan yi ene betumi aboa na etumi abie so na yehu niema womo eye wo ho eno nam so me na die edan yi esi Sakoti no wo epoye mantemu etifido wei ebeboa ema kuayo ho nsem atumi agina brane ewo epom ho.
Diabeye na adehia wonomo ewo etifi epoye mantem no emu kura frene Sakoti no ewo Nabdam district wo kua ho nsem betimi akonim na agane na so na kade ahodo a wonmo behia okua adwuma mu no nsa ebetimi aka ne ntempa so nti enam so amekura fre wonomo ese Boost to Bloom Agric House Foundation wonomo ene agra na afenso eye Mastercard Foundation aka abumaka kosi ebia kese pa wonomo tonton kua adwuma ho niema bebre na ewo honma bibi na uhia de fakua adwuma ho a opese wonya bi e ho no ya de se wonsa ebetimi aka bi na wo foriso bosome ne da etoso edu na wonomo ebie sa biaye ano a eno nam so ma de hye na kopie mu ho no afenso kuafo pi na na wonom so kopie mu ewo dwumadie no ase a wo kire se bran ne bran ekoba ne se wonom ehia akade bi ewo wonkua adwuma wonom eye no emu age se wonom de wani kyeremu wonkronkro bi atwa hye wo ho ansa na akade ahodo a wonom ehia wonkua adwuma mu no wonsa etimi aka Aneti we ye nyame ayadom amene ekoye tima besi sabe bi de ama wo ya de se wani agiye pa wo kire se ebeboa pa ama wonum kua adwuma wonum eye netimi agyan naso na konenim eno nam so ma assembly member edema de hia wonum ho no weni munyamfo Joseph ede ensem sei eto kantanka kwansem enim.
In fact, I am very grateful to Agri House and Agra for the opportunity that has come to my community. I count myself as one of the lucky assembly members in Nabdam because this opportunity is not in other communities. So I must be grateful for what Agri House have done for my community. And I want to, on behalf of my community members, thank them for the opportunity that they have created for us. In fact, we normally move from our community to either Pelungu, Congo, or Nangudi, sometimes Bolga, to buy farm inputs. But with this support, and bringing this input shop to my community is more or less a release to us, and it's timely. So I am happy that my community members can now walk just some short distance to get even a cutlass, a hoe, or any chemical that they need to improve on their farms. So I sincerely appreciate the opportunity that has come from Agri House, and I want to appeal that my community members, especially the young girls and then the boys, they should own the project. They should make sure they devote their time to the project so that in the end, they are the people who are going to benefit.